And I'm having a jolly day. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button in the face and like that like button so you can know more. So today I am super happy because I finally got my background for you guys, and also, yeah, I know it still shows. I'm cheap. I'm sorry, but we are doing a collab with Sydney, everyone. So today, oh, and also don't forget to subscribe to her channel.
Everything with Syd. And I will be posting videos. I have to delete some. Okay, I'm sorry.
Alright, so today we are going to be doing Guess the Food Challenge. Blindfolded, obviously. And mine says Beauty Queen.
Mine says cheetah. It doesn't have any words, but it's cheetah.
It's a leopard print. And yeah, so Sydney is going to be going first. And this is like candy version because like we have chocolate, you guys. For Valentine's Day, I know. I'm sorry,
okay, I'm ready.
Cheap.
Okay.
Alright, so let's get into the video. Alright, Sid, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see
I
what.
peek things, okay?
Okay, no peeking.
I'm not peeking.
Okay, no peeking.
I'm not peeking. I can't even see anything, okay? If you put it in my mouth, tell me when to open it. And don't put your finger in my mouth. Oh. What's this?
It's just stop moving. Just stay where you are. This is what it is, guys. Alright, you ready? If you guess it, you get a point. If you don't guess it, you don't get a point.
I hope it's fun dip.
Okay, well, you do, girl. Alright, open.
It's a airhead.
Is it? What is
Orange flavor airhead.
Woo! You're correct.
That's good.
Yeah. Okay. That's one of the candies. Oh, that was really good. I did not. Wait, did you peek?
No.
Better than peek.
I didn't peek.
Okay. Guys, it's my turn. I'm having I'm like, alright. You make sure to show them.
Okay, I will.
Okay, I can't see. Ow. This is weird. I know it's really confusing to get it on camera because it's backwards. Like. Ow.
Okay.
Okay.
Open your mouth.
What? I'll put your finger in my mouth.
Okay, open.
What is this thing? It's a gummy. I know it's a gummy.
It's gummy, but what kind?
I don't know what it's called, but I know it's. Is it a strawberry gummy?
It's watermelon. Watermelon strawberry. But what kind of gummy?
I don't know. What else could I do? I don't know.
You can wear it on your wrist.
I don't think I've ever had this before. So is it like a gummy wristband, kind of like?
Yeah, correct.
I am. What is that? That is yummy though.
Yeah,
I don't think I know this brand.
that was good. So good.
That was fun though. That was delicious. All right,
My
Sydney
turn.
next. So it's Sydney's turn. So let's see if she can guess this.
And on a Saturday. No.
I don't think she's gonna be able to guess this, but probably
This is gonna be the hardest one of all.
One of the hints is if you hear like scrambling.
I hear scrambling a lot. Scramble.
I don't think
What
she's gonna
the
scramble.
I don't know what that was.
Alright, you ready? Open.
Is it tiny?
No, just put it in your mouth. It's not anything bad, just eat it.
Ew, it's stale. Is it an Oreo?
Huh?
Is it an Oreo?
What part of an Oreo?
Cracker, the cracker.
The cookie.
I mean the cookie.
Yeah. So.
I don't know what that sounded like.
Oh my god, you make me cry laughing.
Ow!
Stop hurting yourself in front of the camera. Jeez, this is why people don't watch my channel. I'm just joking. So right now, I'm gonna write down the scores. And yeah. So yeah. Sorry guys, it's 2-1 because I haven't done my second turn yet. Woo!
Okay, put your blindfold on.
Okay, you don't have to do this.
I know, I'm gonna do it differently.
I can't. I don't want that. I don't know those guys. You put it on. Okay. Are you ready yet?
Yeah, I'm getting ready.
Okay.
No.
Don't forget to show them. I don't even know what I did, but
My turn.
what? It's my turn.
I'm weird. Okay, open wide.
Tear it apart if it's really big. What? Give it to my hand.
Okay, open.
No, put it in my hand. Oh, well, this is easy. This is the Girl Scout cookie. Whatever.
Okay. I was laughing because when I was showing you guys the cookie, she opened her mouth and was like, and then,
ready.
that's why I was laughing.
Well, that's just one.
Oh,
What?
okay.
Where did my blindfold go? So everyone, now it's Sydney's turn. Get the
Owie!
Oops.
Owie, that hurt! You stabbed my eyeball!
Oops, it's slipped.
You're like... Okay, no more.
Alright. Let's figure out what we're gonna give her. I keep giving you the easy ones. Shut. You are like a laughing stop. I don't think you're ever gonna guess this. Okay, guys. Just shut.
Just put it in my hand, okay?
Well, I haven't even opened it yet. Shit. I'm putting it off. It's super small.
Put it in my hand.
Fine, it's super small. Sydney, stop acting like you're
Is there
a
a fruit
baby.
snack?
No. It's not a fruit snack.
Is it a gummy?
You think it's a gummy. Yeah, it's a gummy. Uh-huh.
Is it a red gummy?
Sydney, you can't guess like that. Okay? It doesn't work like
Does it have a filling in it? It tastes disgusting.
Well, what do you think it is?
I don't know. Think about it.
Alright, open your eyes. Yes, you guys, it was those nasty Ninja Turtle little Valentine Hero Hearts, Ninja Gummy Hearts. Sorry if you guys like these. I hate them. I'm sorry.
Okay, next.
Oh, you didn't get the point. Alright.
2-2.
Wait.
Ah!
Wait, I have to open my eyes so I can get in the camera.
Sorry.
Oh, you guys. Sorry, you guys. I'm trying to get in the camera. I can't get. You know what? This stupid chair is killing me. I need to face away. And yeah, okay. Down. Way up.
Okay, ow.
Ow. Seriously, I don't even know where you are. Now watch me what?
She'll never figure it out.
Oh, make sure to comment down in the section below what you guys think we should do for the next video. You ready?
Yeah.
Whatever. Is this just plain milk chocolate?
It's milk chocolate, but what kind of milk chocolate?
Well, there's only one kind of milk chocolate.
No, is it solid or is it just plain chocolate?
I don't even know what you mean.
Okay, just guess. Is it solid or regular, like soft chocolate?
Sydney, what do you mean by solid?
It says on the box, blank milk chocolate.
Solid?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We got Baby Louie on there. Alright. Hang on, point.
We got 2 more, then we're done.
No, this is our last one. After you, it's me, and then we're done. Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah.
I know you're never gonna guess. Actually, you probably are.
How's it?
This is what I'm giving her. I don't know what these are called, though.
Did it fall on the floor?
No, it fell on the desk.
Okay, I'm on. Kiss! Sticky!
Cindy, just eat it.
How's the caramel taste good?
Mm-hmm.
Butterscotch. Yeah, there's dog hair on it. Yeah.
Okay.
It's butterscotch.
You're probably right. Alright, this is
That's
what
right.
it was.
It's butterscotch. It's butterscotch.
Yeah, that was
Hey, we're done.
it did drop on the floor. Alright, this is the last one. Okay, you ready?
Open your mouth.
Sour Patch Kid.
Yep.
Alright, so that was the last one, and I won! Oh.
Time.
No, I won. Yeah, I won. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a jolly day. And make sure to if we can get this video to 100 likes, then my brother will challenge me and we'll do another video.
Bye.
Love you all. Bye. Have a jolly day.